Hi, my name is Kavya. We are going somewhere today, and it's gonna be fun. Here, and Brom, are you excited too? Beacon on.
Beacon is on, yeah.
Mixture full red.
Okay, mixture full red.
Throttle sight.
Slide.
Slide.
Okay.
Brakes.
You got brakes, yeah.
Proper.
Okay.
Gear.
Okay, then that's when you say clear prop, okay?
Okay, that's clear prop.
Ram, say clear prop with me. Clear prop.
Clear prop.
Good job.
Please take down Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with the information Delta IFR.
And Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, you're cleared to Delta Kilo X-Ray Airport via radar vectors to Nello, that's November, Echo, Lima, Lima, Oscar, direct Victor 97, direct Hindi, that's Hotel India, November, Delta, Echo, direct destination. Maintain 3,000, expect 7,000 5 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.907, squawk 5133.
Tower Grumman 66 Romeo Delta holding short 2 on right.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta P3 Tower, hold short, runway 2 on right, awaiting off our release.
6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta P3 Tower, turn left heading 090, runway 21 left, correction 21 right, clear for takeoff, no delay around the corner.
Turn left 090, runway 2 on right, clear for takeoff 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 090, contact Atlanta departure, we'll see you.
Turn left 090, contact departure 6 Romeo Delta. Departure Grumman 66 Romeo Delta 090, climbing to 3,000.
66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta departure, ident and climb and maintain 5,000.
Ident and 5,000 for 6 Romeo Delta. 1,000 to 5,000.
Lima Mike, descend and maintain 3,000. Let me know when you have peak state to sight. 6 Romeo Delta's radar contact 3 miles east of the KDKX airport, climb and maintain 7,000.
To 7,000, 6 Romeo Delta. Welcome back, guys. We're headed to Knoxville. Gonna stay there for a day and come back tomorrow. What's the plan?
Over 66 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 040.
040 for 6 Romeo Delta. Climbing to 7,000, being radar vector. It's a beautiful view for a day, but I did file an IFR flight plan today.
6 Romeo Delta, clear direct Knoxville Downtown.
Clear direct to destination 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, traffic no factor, contact approach 132.47. See ya.
3247, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 7,000.
66 Romeo Delta, land approach, after altimeter is 3033.
3033, 6 Romeo Delta. So I got this watch, Garmin D2 Mach 1. It's a pilot watch designed by Garmin. It's based on the Garmin Epix 2 series watch.
27.
Several aviation features, including flight tracking. So
You
it can
want to go
also
direct
measure
to
SPO2.
Yes, that's approved.
So this is looking at my HSI mode. So we're looking at the destination is Knoxville Downtown. It'll show me my current altitude, which matches up fairly close to what I'm showing on the G5s here. And my heading, ground speed, UTC time. Also shows nearest airports, which is fairly useful, especially if you are flying with you do not have an iPad or any kind of GPS on board. So having this would be useful. Shows the current map, shows the airports nearby.
2633
So at this point,
at maintain 14,000, the Atlanta altimeter 3030.
also showing some terrain data. So the green is the terrain, so I am above the terrain right now. So that's my HSI. So if you want me to make a full review, so let me know in the comments below. So welcome back. So we're landing in about 28 minutes. So relatively a short flight. Such a beautiful area around here. One of my favorite airports is right below me. It's Blairsville.
2633 contact Atlanta approach 128.0.
A mountainous airport. It's a pretty beautiful area. Smoky Mountains below us, so we're flying over the Smokies. Pretty spectacular. Been really beautiful in the fall time for sure. I was saying I filed the IFR flight plan. It'll be easier to get out of the Atlanta area just with a lot of traffic on the weekend day. So although I could have filed VFR and maybe saved a few minutes. I recently switched to Garmin Pilot. So it's one of the cool features is split screen.
2732 contact Atlanta approach 128.0.
I know I still love ForeFlight. Hard to get out of ForeFlight system. It is so nice, but the subscription, I feel like they keep pushing me to get a higher level subscription and keep raising the rates ever since Boeing took over. In that regard, at least for now.
Center, Sundowner 9742 Quebec.
For now, Garmin Pilot seems to be okay. We'll see. So I'm still learning. There is a Western Carolina airport to my right. It's one of the beautiful airports in the area here. Nestled in the mountains. Spectacular Smoky Mountains. I only wish they had a courtesy car or rental car availability to visit the nearby area.
November 6 Romeo Delta contact Knoxville 118.0.
118.06 from it, thank you.
Someone said something about 9,500. Who was it?
Knoxville Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 8000.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Knoxville approach, altimeter 3025, advise the weather in downtown Island and you expect a visual.
We'll expect a visual for us, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, descend to maintain 7,000.
Down to 7,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, descend to maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, the field's 12 o'clock, 8 miles.
6 Romeo Delta, we don't have any.
6 Romeo Delta, the airport's now 12 o'clock, 5 miles.
6 Romeo Delta, we don't have any.
6 Romeo Delta, just let me know when you for sure have it in sight.
I have the airport inside, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, cleared visual approach into Downtown Island Airport. Report cancellation of IFR in the air at this frequency or on the ground on 121.7.
Go ahead and cancel now, 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR, picture change approved. There is 2 aircraft in the pattern there at downtown.
6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Downtown traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta on downwind for runway 26. Downtown traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta turning left base for runway 26 downtown. Downtown traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta on short final for 26. Downtown traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, clear off runway 26. Okay, so we're gonna park next to this Grumman. Wow, look at this beautiful airport. Alright, we made it. So we just landed here, Knoxville Downtown Airport. It's actually on an island.